The KG150 industrial heater is far more than a simple heating unit. It embodies a fusion of power and advanced technology, delivering a new standard of industrial heating through precise engineering and modern design. With a thermal capacity of 174 kW, the KG150 is available in two configurations, axial fan and centrifugal fan, providing a dependable heating solution for industrial spaces such as poultry farms, greenhouses, production halls, warehouses, and even sports facilities. At the core of the heater, the furnace and heat exchanger are crafted from stainless steel, ensuring outstanding resistance to high temperatures and corrosion, while guaranteeing years of consistent performance without efficiency loss. The engineered modular design of the KG150's furnace and heat exchanger achieves thermal efficiencies of up to 94%, while also enabling fast and straightforward maintenance and servicing. The furnace, heat exchanger, and combustion system are fully integrated, eliminating the need for a separate burner and delivering a complete, safe, and ready-to-use heating solution. The durable body made from galvanized steel with a powder-coated finish combines corrosion resistance with a modern industrial appearance. Another key feature is the secure housing for the control panel and fuel delivery system. This design not only enhances safety and prevents airflow disruption, but also simplifies component maintenance and replacement, while making the unit easier to transport. The advanced electrical panel includes a dual-relay digital thermostat, emergency thermoswitch, safety sensors, and connection to automation systems, ensuring precise and reliable ambient temperature control. The heater also incorporates a dedicated combustion air supply system and is certified as zero carbon monoxide by INSO, providing safe and clean heating for enclosed environments. Every detail of the KG150 has been designed for optimal performance and ease of use, from ergonomic handles and body hooks to ducting compatibility and the option for floor or overhead mounting. For added flexibility, mobile versions with wheels are available, allowing effortless relocation within industrial settings. The KG150 is offered in gas, diesel, and dual-fuel versions, and is compatible with both single-phase and three-phase power supplies, making it suitable for any industrial application. This knowledge-based product carries the most reputable national and international certifications, comes with a 1-year warranty, and is supported by 10 years of after-sales service. For uniform, efficient, and powerful industrial heating, contact KGY's experts today. We've got you covered.